What's up, fellow polymaths? In this video of the Java Fundamentals tutorial, we'll be going over passing by value versus passing by reference. So as you can tell from the title, Java is a pass by value language. Java does not pass by reference. To pass parameters by value is to call a method with a parameter. With this, the argument value is passed to the parameter. The changes made from the method that is called does not have an effect on the calling method. Essentially, the values of the arguments remains the same even after the method is called. So let's do a quick coding example just to determine what we're talking about. So here we're on a main class, and I'm going to create a method called switch numbers. This is going to be a static variable, so we don't have to create an object for this. And since it's in the main class, we don't have to use the name of the class to call the method. And this will not return any values, so it'll be a void. So let's switch numbers. We call this int first number and int second number. So here we have our before the switch with the first number and the second number. I'm going to create a placeholder called third number. I'm going to set this equal to first number. And then I'm going to assign that first number equal to the second number. This might sound a little bit confusing, but you'll see what I'm doing later. And then the second number is equal to the third number. All right, so we've created our method switch numbers. So now let's call that switch numbers method inside the main method. So here we just can create our variables called first number. Let's make this equal to 10. Then in second number, make it equal to 20. Then we're going to output the print line statement. So before the switch. And then in this line 12, we're just going to call that switch numbers method. And then first number, then second number for the second argument. All right, so now we're done. We just run the code right now just to confirm that Java is pass by value. And I'll explain everything that's going on. All right, so we've run the code and we have our output. And here I'll just explain what's going on here. So we have our first output statement on line 9 before the switch in the main method. So we assigned, in the main method, we assigned the first number equal to 10 and the second number equal to 20. So we have that. So now we call that switch numbers method. So we go into the switch numbers method and we're passing in the first number and the second number, which remember we're passing in 10 as the first number and 20 as the second number. So in the before the switch in the switch numbers method, our lines 21 and 22, the first number is equal to 10 and the second number is equal to 20. All right, so now we have our third number. Our third number we assign to the first number, which is 10. So then the first number on line 24 gets assigned the second number, which is 20. So now that first number variable is 20 and the third number variable is 10. So on line 25, we get to that second number variable, which is assigned to that third number variable. And remember that third number variable was 10. So now the second number variable is 10 and the first number variable is 20. And we confirm this with the after the switch in the switch numbers method, where the second number variable is 10 and the first number variable is 20. So now we pop out back into the main method. So then we, on lines 14 and 15, we output what the first number variable is. And now we're saying that the first number variable is 10 and the second number variable is 20. So remember before we saw that the second number variable was 10 and the first number variable was 20. But after the switch in the main method, we see that the first number variable is at 10 and the second number variable is 20. So this is confirmation that Java is a pass by value method and not a pass by reference method. You can go over it your own as well, just test out certain methods and change up some variables and values just to confirm that, just to get it more ingrained that Java is a pass by value method. And this is something that is usually asked by interview questions as well, and they'll probably tell you to explain what your answer is. So it's a good idea to just test it out as well. So here's an assignment. It's only one question. Is Java a pass by value language or a pass by reference language? Explain your answer. If this video was of any value to you, then please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.